Imagine if every time you looked at a sign, stared at a chalkboard, or opened a book, it made you feel awful. While these statistics may be daunting, the J3 Foundation was created to reverse these trends of childhood literacy in underserved areas of Los Angeles. Our after-school intervention program is designed to help 4th and 5th graders get the help they need to reach grade level. We also offer healthy snacks so that their bodies are nourished along with their minds. Our curriculum features culturally relevant books so that the students can see themselves in the stories they choose. We practice mindfulness. And of course, we teach them to read. We give them the power to see the world like this. J3 Foundation, building bold readers for bright futures.